Like, if you are looking for the most stupid person in this world, come and pick this guy called Kelvin. This guy have no sense, no single brain. What was he saying? No single point, no accusation, nothing. I'm not done with you. Oh, this guy sounds like one of those people that they used to plant in those churches. They tell you to come and act like the devil. You understand?
Today, let them listen to the audio first. They have not listened to something. You are already talking. Biko, listen to this thing. When you come back.
That's true.
Told you. Hey, bro. I told you, never touch Kelvin Surugwe. I'll bring confusion in your house. One way or the other. I'm going to destroy you. When I'm done with you, you're going to beg me to stop hitting on you, my brother. I mean it when I talk about that. You didn't have to touch me, and then you even posted me on your page. Ugly truth. Well, brother, you didn't have to do that. You didn't have to do that. I'm going to destroy you. Little by little. My name is Kelvin Surugwe. Post this. J Israel. Post this. I'm not done with you. I have just started. You shouldn't have touched me. That was a mistake. I'm gonna turn everyone against you. Not that I know them, I don't know them. They're gonna turn against you because you cheated them. I'm gonna use that against you. By the way, you cheated a lot of people. Whether it's Israel or Prophet or whatever you call Manasseh or Panashi, whoever you are. I'm not done. I told you I'm gonna finish you. And I mean that. You charlatan. You should have done what if you're doing without involving me, but involved me. Now it's personal. When I'm involved, it's personal. Literally, it's personal. I'll take this thing as personal. Now, if you still think you're gonna fight me, how did you say it? Because I'm not done. I've just started. And by the way, you are not who you say you are. In fact, your friend Solomon did not have anything. I just gave him everything. But I'm gonna give him everything. I want you to say I'm wrong. Then you and I are gonna take each other. You know how I am. I told you. And then you started me like literally bushing my wife. It can never happen. That is, you insulted me. Boy, thinking man, you started Kelvin Surugwe. I'll finish you.
Shibu, we are back now.
Can you see? Wait, I want to ask you. Just think it. In everything he said, did you have any single point that maybe any accusation that any wrong that maybe he said that J Israel has done? Just please, anyone, any single nice one that oh, you can say oh he made a point. No single point. Their family member is here. I don't know if that thing is with. Okay, speak first. Say one thing. I will know.
Look.
Don't worry. The thing is there. Is there.
Okay.
Is there. Is there. That's
look, the only thing that I see in this video is that maybe
video or audio video.
This audio.
Okay.
Is that maybe this idiot was doing soapy when he was recording this thing.
You know, how can a matured man that have sense of reasoning, just come out and be vomiting nonsense. Everything is just said from beginning to the end. You bring out me. You should have not proposed me. I will show you.
I will destroy
what
you.
will this guys looks like one of the people that these pastors will use. They tell them to say they are devil.
Somebody that is a PR for Bushiri. You should know that. See, let me tell you, these are the people that they used to plant all those their nonsense stories. You know, all those stories where they say J. Israel did this or one person did it. Anybody that comes against them, this kind of person will know all the journalists.
Yes, that's true.
So they will give him small money. You go and bribe all those journalists.
Yes,
so that
we said it then. What's his name? J. Israel said it that time that when they have this issue, this resurrection video issue, he was the one that was paying those journalists.
Yeah. So this one does the same thing for Bushiri.
Yes.
Anytime anything backfires like PR,
yes,
the idiot, this
now
idiot will go back
to meet Israel. I now went to meet Solomon. I'm saying this rubbish that does not have sense.
I'm sure he is working with Solomon.
That one too, Solomon now accepted what he said that doesn't have one single point.
Solomon, have you forgotten who Solomon is? That one is a hungry man. If they give him $1,000, Solomon will change mouth.
I just hope he can.
Solo will change mouth.
I just hope Solomon can watch our video and pick and talk about it. So that we fire you back.
Solomon, stay your lane. Yes. Let us stay our lane. Yes. Let J. Israel stay his lane.
Yes.
Mr. Kevin, you too. Piage, your lane. Because common sense is not in your head.
It's not. That's why common sense is not common. You
now,
have one.
Now, you sent audio to show you that this man does not have sense. You sent audio to somebody to tell the person that you are the one that is putting confusion into his house.
You see.
So now, when the person posts this audio now, everybody will know that you are just causing confusion. Everything you are saying is fake. You can see that you don't have sense.
It doesn't even have one single point. No, I don't even say anything in this voice note. People just saying, I will show you. I just started with you. Okay, what did he do? Okay, because he posted your, I don't understand.
You know the guilty people like that, when you rattle them a bit, they begin to run from post to post to try to solve their nonsense. Guilty people like this.
See, let me warn you, Kelvin. You can't do Jay-Z or anything. There's nothing you can do.
See, the thing is do you know why J. Israel zone is even good? When he started, he came out to say he has done plenty rubbish.
Yes,
he has done
why
this, so
the acceptance was massive.
It did not come out to say that, he was not part of this thing. He came out to say that he
said everything,
and
we already know.
And that useless Solomon, that betrayer, you went back to, you and somebody started something. Now you went to meet Kevin, collected nonsense information because they have given you small money.
And you can't even go to him and say, this is the info.
The info that somebody said.
How true is this? What is this?
That kind of behavior. You were coming that day, the other video, you were quoting scriptures. We thought you were a human being.
Yes.
We didn't know that you were Ozu Town Council. My people, do you know what Ozu Town Council is? Do you know what Ozu Town Council is? You don't know. Just say you don't know.
That thing they used to pack feces.
You are a cow.
You
are a cow from the north. That is what you are.
That day they used to pack feces.
Shut up. Ozu Town Council is a dead body that Town Council has rejected. You know when somebody die on the street, then Town Council decide not to carry the person. You don't have family. That is what you are, Solomon. Ozu Town Council.
Kevin, please go and learn how to talk. Go and learn how to talk. You are saying rubbish.
Kevin, please, and when you are sending voice notes the next time, please don't
soapy, please.
Don't be dancing Joseph when you are doing.
Don't do it.
Send normal voice notes.
Talk normal.
Normally.
Like
human being. Yes. Don't talk like idiots.
Who they manufacture something.
Somebody that they are turning. You know those toys that they turn.
Use the remote on.
They turn you quick. Then you begin to talk nonsense. And the money that Bushiri has paid you, Ngwanu.
No, he's working for him, so he
collects money monthly. Every time Bushiri, see, make sure you use the money to do something, though, because all these prophets, once you leave them, your life is going downhill. Oh.
Yes, now you
So-
start from scratch.
You start from scratch. Oh.
I pity you. By the time the expose will be out, they will seize everything.
Everything.
I'm thinking
So
where you will start from.
everything he has bought for you, make sure is in your name.
I just hope you are saving all those money that is you are collecting
Everything
from
Bushiri, Afluka, all of them buy for you. Make sure it's in your name, because when market scatter, Ogoro jump fence, you will know.
your own.
It will be worse. Thank you very much for watching this video.
Don't forget, it is very important to subscribe and share the video
And follow us on Instagram.
John Joshua
As
comedian.
At Laugh Mayor, at
Nigeria's
Nigeria's Craziest. Like us on Facebook too.
We love you.
We love you people.